Alrighty, guys, here it is, 2020 Jeep Compass. Why is it leaning? How the hell am I supposed to? Nah, man, this is the wrong place. This is supposed to go to the body shop. I can't take this in the shop. How the hell am I? Whoa, whoa! Wait a minute. Now, how the hell am I supposed to drive this in the shop and find out what's wrong with it? Let me stand back some. Y'all see that? Now, anybody want to take a stab at what happened? Let's go down here and investigate a little bit. Let's get a little closer, all right? Some of y'all pretty good. I want to know what y'all think. Okay, if you look fairly close, you will see a half shaft right there. Axle. Oh, look at that wheel. Did the wheel come loose? Wait a minute. Oh, no. Did somebody, Cousin Pookie, do a brake job on this damn thing and then tighten the caliper? That's a piece of the freaking wheel, ain't it? What the hell? What is that? The axle popped out because the wheel split. Is that? Oh no, the ball joint. Wait a minute. I ain't seeing something right. I just washed my hands. I don't want my hand. That's a piece of the ball joint. The other piece supposed to go on the knuckle. Right there. And it's in there. Did the ball joint split? This car's too new. Oh no, look. Y'all know what causes this? Or how this happened? This from that you see how that tie rod bent? That's from a hook. Tow truck driver, they need somewhere to pull. They'll just grab any old damn where. Tie rod is not strong enough to pull a car, and they just bend the damn tie rod. But I'm trying to see. Now that's pretty steady, so it don't look like Cousin Pookie. That damn wheel. What y'all think, man? Holy crap. Yeah, the oil is, all the grease is coming from the axle. But let me see how it look on this side. Oh no. Look, y'all. Oh, this is a rotor. That's what that was. Did the rotor split? Oh no. Somebody could have did a brake job. Man, hold on. Or they could have hit something in the road. What y'all think, man? Damn. Well, at any rate, I can't drive this damn thing in the shop. How do you get it in the shop? Might have to tow it, but we got to lift it and tow it. All right, guys, I'm out of time. Y'all let me know in the comment section what y'all think happened, man. This is crazy. How the hell you gonna give me this to work on? Well, I don't know if they knew or not, but well, let me go back up front. This ain't about to get checked out. Y'all stay tuned. I gotta go.